Hi everyone, it's Laura and my assistant,
Lucy.
and we want to welcome you to
Lucy and Laura
Live. Okay, so Lucy is here again in my studio and she's been helping me do some stamping. I'm working on some Christmas gifts and so she's been stamping and punching. How did it go?
I'd say it worked really well.
Did you have fun or was it too hard of work?
It was both.
Really? Yeah, it is hard work.
It is both because I went to Lightbridge, which I'm going for work, and I'm working here.
Right, so you're busy. Okay, so we have some fun projects to show you today. We are going to feature the Spirited Snowman stamp set. It is super cute, and we made, just a little while ago when Lucy was here, we made homemade hot chocolate. We made a big batch of it, and it is really, really good, although Lucy hasn't tried it yet, but
Right.
I know that I have tried it, and it is super, super good. So, so this is a really cute gift idea. This is just some of the hot chocolate mix in a jar, and then I just made a cute little tag, really just with some scraps I had, some designer paper and some Whisper White cardstock. I used the scallop tag punch, wrapped some baker's twine around it, and have made a really cute gift.
Muy bien.
So
That's finished for very well.
very well. Okay, so I know that's okay. Our phone's ringing, but we won't answer it. We're busy.
Yep.
Right? Okay.
We're busy bees.
So my blog is lauramilligan.com, and later tonight I will be posting the photos and also the recipe for our hot chocolate mix in case you would like to make it. It's a great gift to give at Christmas time to your neighbors and friends. So I will put that on there along with a picture of the tag, but we want to show you how to make a gift card holder today.
And spread your love during Christmas time.
Yes.
Because we love you.
We do. The other thing we want to ask you today is when you watch our video to share it or leave a comment. And everyone that leaves a comment or shares this will put their name in a basket.
For a drawing.
I'm going to have Lucy pull the winner the next time you come. The next time we do a Facebook Live, I'll have Lucy pull the winner.
And whoever wins gets a special surprise in front of your door in the mail.
That's right. We'll mail something to you. So be sure to share and comment. Every time you comment and share, you're going to get your name in the drawing. So I'm going to flip the phone down now. Good luck, right, Lucy?
Yep.
And we are going to show you how to make a gift card holder using the Spirited Snowman stamp set. Okay, here we go, Lucy. I think I did it. Now we're going to be, whoops. Gonna go upside down for a minute. Bye. Here we go. Flip this down. I'm gonna just move this up a little bit. Okay. All right.
I'm gonna see how it shows. Yep.
There you are. Okay, we did good. All right. So this is the gift card holder, and again, it uses this adorable Spirited Snowman stamp set. And can you see the sparkle? We put some glitter on him. We'll show you a little trick for doing that. When you open up this, there's a slot in here, and that is created with a punch, and that's where you're going to slide your gift card. And this says, "Your friendship warms my heart."
Any kind of gift card you can put in.
Right. What are your favorites?
Yay.
What are your favorites, Lucy? Gift cards to...
gift cards for iTunes, for music.
Great idea.
Sometimes I use gift cards for going out to eat.
Right, to a favorite restaurant.
Or for a coffee. Or for a
coffee shop. Yep.
Coffee shop, hot chocolate, Kit Kats.
So let's show them how we do this. So, and again, I will put all these instructions and measurements on my blog later tonight. So I'm going to start with a piece of designer paper. This is from the Festive Farmhouse Suite. Lucy, you're tired today. You keep yawning. You must have had a rough day. Okay, so this is 5.5 by 11, and I'm going to bring my paper trimmer in, and I will be scoring this at 4 1/4.
Not a hair trimmer.
No. 4 1/4, and the scoring blade is this lighter gray blade. The black blade will cut, so we're just going to score 4 1/4.
Sorry, I just had happy tears.
4 1/4 and 5 3/4. and 7 1/4.
Sorry, peeps. I have a...
And I'm not even sure if I have this in the right place, but anyway, okay, so 7 1/4.
Yeah.
So it's gonna look like this. So I'm just gonna fold this up right on those score lines. Okay, I'm gonna take my paper trimmer away. We'll set that aside. And this will be the base of our gift card holder.
Okay.
So what we'll do is take some tear and tape, and we're gonna put tear and tape just along this top right here. You don't want to put any down at this crease, at this score line, because that's where we'll punch, and that is on the inside of the card. That is where we will put our gift card. Okay, so let me grab the tear and tape.
Oh, yeah.
This is really sticky tape, Lucy.
Hello.
And we'll get this set up, and then we'll start doing our stamping, and I'll have Lucy help me with that. Okay, so this is nice. So I just tear that off like that, and I like to burnish it with my fingers a little bit, fingernail, fingers, and then I'm gonna just pull this up.
Voila!
Hopefully, voila, there we go, there it is. Whoops, tore it. Okay, pull that off, and we'll set that aside. And then I'm just gonna pinch this together, and that creates our base for our gift card. So I'm gonna show you how to do the inside. And I am using our classic label punch, and I like to flip it upside down, and I'm just eyeballing this. It doesn't have to be perfect. I'm going to start with this in the center of my gift card holder, and I'll punch that, and that flies.
What a fun ride.
And then I'm gonna slide it down just about halfway and punch again, and then I'll do the same thing on the other side. This is just to make a big enough slot so that the gift card will fit.
But make sure that the paper that you're using doesn't hit you in the face.
True. Okay, so that's where your gift card will go. All right. So now we're going to add the cute factor, which is the cute little snowman stamp.
And me.
Well, you, yes, of course, Lucy. You're the star of the show. Okay. So I'm going to set that aside, and I'm going to have you stamp, Lucy.
Oh, yay.
So I am using Memento Tuxedo Black ink, and the reason I'm using that is because Lucy's going to color our snowman for us, and she's going to be using our Stampin' Blends. They're alcohol markers. They are amazing.
Yummy.
And anytime you use them, you want to be sure to use the Memento Black ink, okay? So I'm going to open that up, I think.
If you know how.
There we go. Yeah, I don't know if I know how. I should. Okay. All right, so here's our snowman.
Make sure to pull your sleeves up.
So go ahead. That's okay. So you go ahead, Lucy.
Oh, yay.
And you ink that up, and you stamp our little snowman right on there. So remember how you do the tap, tap, tap? Okay. Go ahead and stamp. Excellent. Look how good you did. That's great. Okay. And then...
What do you guys think?
Leave us a comment. Let us know. Yeah. I think Lucy did a good job. Okay, then we're going to take this little piece, Lucy, and I have a stamp from this set, and it says Winter Cheer. So we're going to stamp that too. Kind of stamp a little bit on this side, and then we're going to layer it up a little bit. So it's, yep, tap, 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 remember? Tap, 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 and go ahead and stamp. Oh, wait, you know what though? Perfect. Okay. All right.
What do you guys think? Leave a comment.
Okay. Now, Lucy, I'm going to bring in...
There's a sponge or a cheese.
That's a sponge. We're going to use that in a minute. But, okay. So I'm going to... Can you reach forward here and add some color to the snowman? So you can color like her hat. There's red and green. And let me show you real quick what I like to do is just to give this snowman a little bit of dimension is to just add, this is the light crumb cake, and I'm just real lightly adding a shadow on the snowman's left side. Okay.
Just like in the bee movie when the bee eats the crumbs.
That's right. Okay, so go ahead. This is dark cherry cobbler. So if you can reach forward, Lucy, and color that.
You mean the outer part?
No, well, you can color like her hat or some of her scarf. Okay, go ahead and do that. And those are, I love coloring with those. Those are really, really nice markers. job. Okay, that looks good. Now, do you want to add some green?
Oh, yeah.
Okay, and actually, I'll put the cap on that for you. I'm going to open this one up. This is orange. This is
Green.
dark pumpkin pie. We'll use the green too. So this is dark pumpkin pie. How about giving our snowman a carrot nose?
Oh, yes.
Okay.
And carrots are good for you.
They are.
Wow.
Adorable. Okay, now we're going to use the green, and if you want to, you can color the hat. You can color the scarf, Lucy. You could make her. Do you think it's a snow girl or snow boy?
I think girl.
I think it's a snow girl too. So our snow girl may want to have. Yeah, let me show you. Lucy just pulled the cap off this, and these are our Stampin' Blends, and you can see there's a fine tip and a brush tip.
Oh, yeah.
Normally when I'm coloring, I like to use the fine tip, but it's user preference. So I'm going to open this up, Lucy, and you go ahead and color her scarf.
Oh, yeah.
Do you think our snow girl would want red or green boots? What color should we make her boots? Just for fun. What do you think? Lucy has purple boots.
Oh, yeah. What?
Don't you have purple boots? I thought I'd seen you wear purple boots. Maybe not.
Those are slippers, not boots.
Oh, slippers. Okay. All right. Well, you go ahead and color the scarf. Is that fun? Oh, that looks cute. Very cute. Good job, Lucy.
Thank you. And you guys on Facebook can also vote if you like it.
I'm sure they do. Okay, here's the rest of her scarf. See it?
Oh, yeah.
You want to finish that up there? She's cute.
And you guys should give her a name. So please leave a comment and
Leave a comment and you'll win a prize, possibly.
Yep.
Right? Okay, now I want to show you a little tip. Lucy and I both love bling, and one thing that we like is glitter.
Woohoo!
So I want to show you a little tip to add some glitter to these snow people, men, whether they're men or ladies, girls or boys. So I put a little bit of my...
Where's the cat?
Oh, I got it right over here. Thank you. It is important to put the caps on because they'll dry out if you don't. But okay, so this is our liquid glue, and I just put a little bit on my little silicone mat, and I have just a wedge of one of our sponges, and I am just going to pick up the glue like this.
It's not cheese.
It does look like cheese, but it's not. Okay, I'm going to add just a teeny bit of this glue to the side. Actually, let's make her real sparkly since she's a girl.
Oh, yeah.
So I'm just tapping a little bit of glue. And then I have a container of Stampin' Up's Dazzlin' Diamond Glitter.
Oh, yeah.
Dazzlin' Diamonds, what's not to love about that, right?
Yep. It is
Okay.
a girl's best friend.
That's true, Lucy. Okay, so I am going to just take a spoon. I have a little bit of the glitter on there, and I'm just sprinkling it on. And then I'm going to take this off screen and just tap a little bit.
Tap, tap,
And
tap.
look how sweet our little girl is, our snow girl. Isn't she cute?
Yeah.
Okay.
And now you can leave a comment and...
Oh, well, now I'm going to show them how to put this together, okay? So we're going to do some layering. I love your snow girl, Lucy. Okay.
Why, thank you.
So it looks like I have forgotten my adhesive, just like I did last time. And I don't know where it is. But I'm just going to show you this.
It's a mystery.
Let's pretend like I am adhering this. So this is going to go like this. Okay, we'll use that. And then I am going to slide a little piece of designer paper under our snow girl. And that fits right across there. And then I'm going to take our word. The winter cheer, and that's going to go right there. Lucy, you stamped that in the precise exact position that we needed it. So that's going to go right there. And I'm still looking around trying to find my adhesive. Oh, well. Okay, so that's my adhesive that I use, my snail adhesive. It's like it'll, whoops, look what happened. Okay, so that would be the front. And then on the inside, of course, you're gonna put your gift card holder there. And then I have another piece of white cardstock. And just real quickly, I'm gonna stamp. I thought it would be fun. Pull this aside. Actually, Lucy, you can do this if you want.
Oh, yeah.
You like to stamp, don't you? So I'm actually going to ink up this little snow lady, but I thought it would be cute to have her just kind of peeking over the corner. Do you want to do that? So take that stamp and go ahead and just put it, that's probably good. She's just peeking around. So cute. Okay.
Except the feet.
That's okay. We see the feet on the front. And this stamp just says, your friendship warms my heart. Isn't that cute? And so of course you can color that as well, but that'll just be on the inside of our gift card holder, and it's a quick, easy thing to make, and it's fun. Let's put this back up here.
And challenging.
You think it's challenging? I think it's pretty easy.
No, fun and challenging at the same time.
It is. Okay. All right. So let me bring in the one that we made earlier that I have taped together already. And I just added a bow with baker's twine. And there it is. There's a close-up view. So anyone that places an order, I will be putting a host code in tonight on my blog post, and I'll leave it on the comments below this Facebook Live as well. But if you place an order of $35 or more, I will send you in the mail the parts and pieces so that you can make this gift card holder on your own. So I'm going to flip the camera back up. And let's turn us right side up. Okay, there we are. So I'm a little bit thirsty. I was thinking, Lucy, maybe this would be a good time to make some hot chocolate. Should we try out our homemade recipe?
I agree.
Okay.
I hope you guys agree if we could have it.
Okay, so we also talked about when you have hot chocolate, it's really important to have with it marshmallows.
Oh, yes, marshmallows.
And we like it with a candy cane.
Yep.
So that's what we're going to do. So we're going to sign off right now. And thank you so much for joining us. We love you. We love your comments. And we will see you next time.
And your warm hearts.
And your warm hearts. From Lucy and Laura Live. Bye-bye. Okay. Oops. And I don't even know how to